Legrand smart plug-in dimmers allow you to control and dim the light level of your lights without replacing existing switches and outlets. Simply plug the smart dimmer into an existing outlet. Then plug the lamp you want to control into the Legrand smart plug-in. Now test the smart plug-in dimmer. If the receptacle you are plugging into was installed ground down, you will need to reverse the up-down functions of buttons on the smart plug-in accordingly. To do so, hold the top button in while plugging in your dimmer. The dimmer will automatically adjust its orientation so that dim up is the top button and dim down is the bottom button. Make sure the lamp is turned on and has a dimmable bulb in order for the smart plug-in to control it. Then test the smart plug-in dimmer by pressing the buttons on the plug-in to dim the light level. To set up your system, download and launch the Legrand Smart Lights Wi-Fi app from the App Store or on Google Play.